started this team this year in 2016. We're about off-road, we're about motorcycles, we're about being there for each other.
I'm in racing Baja like almost 10 years racing. It's a hard track this year and it's not easy.
Down here it takes a lot of time to pre-run, know your sections. You have a lot of locals around the course. The course is always changing.
Baja itself is an element you have to watch out for. It's a stress basket the whole race until you get to the finish.
Second place, Braxton Galleon's on the bike, and we're gonna keep pushing. The race is about to start. It's getting dark.
It's about 4 a.m. or a little after 4 a.m. We just finished up. We didn't come away with the first place, but we came away with the finish and came away with the second. I'm happy about that. It's good for us, real good for us.